皆さんこんばんは。今回は私は中国の産品を見せたいんです。このビデオを続ける前に私の YouTube チャンネルを登録をよろしくお願いします。このビデオにハイドロポニックデバイスを見せたいんです。このハイドロポニックデバイスにたらい、花瓶、LED 電灯があります。どうやってこのデバイスを使いますか？まず、このデバイスを片付ける。この片付けることがとても簡単で便利ですね。次、水を入れて、たらいの上に花瓶を置いて、シールを置きます。この方法がとても簡単ですね。OK？ このビデオを見ましたからありがとうございました。じゃあまた。
A Cool Grower Acre 03. A Cool Grower Acre 03 is a planting device which can easily grow indoor fresh herbs, vegetables, and more 1 year round. It's very convenient to set up. You can grow your herbs, vegetables naturally in pure water and air with LED lighting system. No need soil. The seeds can sprout in days, harvest in just weeks. Then you can enjoy fresh herbs, vegetables, and fruits again and again for months. 35-watt advanced LED light optimal plant growth for pennies a day. The device can grow up to 7 plants at once up to 30.4 inches under fully adjustable LED light. The control panel on the top of the device is very easy to operate. It will offer you 3 modes and the lights turn on and off automatically. A Cool Grower Acre 03 comes with everything you need to start growing. Get the A Cool Grower Acre 03 and start growing today.